Hello, Chet Porter with MarineMax Savannah. I want to tell you about this 2020 13-foot Sport from Boston Whaler. This boat is powered by 40 horsepower four-stroke Mercury. This one has a light blue gel coat accent with the white graphics. Looks really sharp. A 4-step ladder makes it really easy to get on and off of the boat. This one has one single tank. There's several options for seating, including high-rise back seats, hinge seats, and then cushions as well. So this one also has the bimini top, white rub rail. There's an anchor locker up forward that drains overboard. And then this year they have a lockable glove box forward of the helm, stainless steel wheel. And then to the right of the console, there's room to mount a GPS or fish finder, whichever one you may choose. So give us a call if you have any questions. 2020 13-foot Sport from Boston Whaler. MarineMax Savannah, 912-897-9881. Thank you.